On your back. Do it now.
Put my hands behind your back.
I'm putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone.
Yeah.
Drop the phone.
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids,
Okay.
or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well. Hey!
You do not attack at all. Get down. Get down.
Bibi sana. Bibi.
30, give me another.
Bibi sana.
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi sana. Bibi sana. Bibi sana. Bibi sana. Bibi sana. Bibi sana. Ayúdame.
Sit down.
Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have
He
him.
threatened all of us too. What's that? He threatened all of us too. So
All right, so here's
what's going on?
BSOS,
Yeah, he knows the story. Though.
It's the
okay. So 20. Okay.
customer non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member is the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult, part of the family. He removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. The flight attendant
Not part of his
asked
family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother so the other person was sitting there assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, so they become threatening. And he was just non-compliant, very combative, and not listen to any of our instructions. So I had him our card here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has a right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
This gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with the grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go to grandmother, but he's going to have to get on. So who doesn't want him on board, they're not safe. Don't just take him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not listening at all.
Okay.
Under Title 49 United States Code Section 44902, Pilot in Command Authority, to remove a passenger requires no justification. Refusal to exit is criminal trespass, not a debate. Probable cause was established the moment the subject received formal notice and refused. Florida statutes Section 8 to 10.09 trespass on a conveyance after warning.
All right. So this is what's going to happen, all right?
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says
To
you're off,
take me
you're off.
down on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother?
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So
The kids
this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay.
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right. They're your kids.
For
You can take
what? For
them.
what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right.
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show
Apparently
you.
I don't need to come anywhere.
I'll show you my
Okay.
seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket,
listen.
right? I
If
have
you
my-
refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody
what?
on this plane will have to come off, and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as
Look.
that. All right.
Look, this is my seat. 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No. Have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed
All
to change the seat, but the
I'm
person...
giving you. Are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need.
I
to
am
know.
on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay. Are
I'm
you
si-
understanding what I'm telling
I am
you?
sitting on 25D.
Okay. Come on up. You're going under arrest.
Don't worry about it. Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put my hands behind your back.
I'm putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone.
Yeah.
Drop the phone.
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids, or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's walk.
You don't know how to tack at all. Get down. Get down.
Bibi stalla. Bibi.
30, give me another unit.
Bibi stalla.
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi stalla. Bibi stalla. Bibi stalla. Bibi stalla. Bibi stalla. Bibi stalla. Aiutami. Aiutami. Aiutami.
Sit down.
The drop the phone command was legally unsupported. A right acknowledged cannot be revoked mid-encounter without independent justification. Graham versus Connor applies misdemeanor offense, low threat, active resistance. Physical control was proportionate, force level appropriate. The father's approach during an active arrest satisfies Florida statutes section 843.03 resisting with violence a third-degree felony. Language barrier mitigates sentencing. It does not negate the act.
Aiutami. 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 Sono bimbila. Bimbila. Aiuto, sono bimbila. Sono bimbila. Please. Please, sono bimbila. Please. Sono bimbila, please.
So you can slow down. We got 2 in custody.
Please, sono bimbila. Mia moglie. Please. Sono bimbi, sono formale. Fanno male i bimbi. Sono bimbila. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Just wait till the rest of them get here.
Sono bimbila. Sono bimbila.
You guys want to open up? Y'all good? Yeah. All right. We'll wait till the rest of them get here. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about. Y'all come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you would. He did.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you're in custody.
He was coming to me, I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things.
Please do me a favor. Please do me a favor, just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
would.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so.
not saying that you are doing something unfair, absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him go.
Hold on.
Please.
Good, good.
Please.
Take
Just
that window
please,
closed.
please. Sorry, Bimbi. Sorry,
let's go.
Bimbi. That's fine. That's
There's no
fine.
debate here. We'll send somebody else come, then I'll walk out.
All right.
Well, actually,
I need somebody
you
to
want to
fill out
wait because
the
you
info.
got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else comes.
My mom is disabled. She cannot
Okay. We understand. Why you didn't want to work? You want to reside.
I just need your info. Yeah. And the flight and all that.
Action reaction. That's what it's called.
No, they're gonna pay for it.
And you said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me, or
Whichever one of you back was turned, you was trying
yeah, I was
to grab
grabbing
you,
his
and that's
phone
when
off
I-
the floor.
That's,
Okay.
the footage. That's when I grabbed you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry. You have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him. His back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. I didn't. What is
He was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do.
The officer's back is
He
showing.
was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info. That's all. Just I'm gonna need somebody else because I got 2.
Okay.
We took him, and I guess Dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone,
Running
I guess.
after him. Yes, after me he was.
Then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else for anyone on the.
And I got the 2
Who's
friends
Albert?
and witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the guy outside. I can press for you out here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family fly.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week.
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
Go outside.
Go up front.
You can go whenever you want. Here you go. Let my dad go. Yours. Who's somebody?
Boy,
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Ruin pak shtyjmë rama. Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying. That's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm alright.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times
Absolutely.
that they don't want you on the plane. The pilot has the authority of the plane. Whatever they tell you, you got to do it.
I thought you were just trying. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the plane and your children to go with the family.
I thought you were just saying. If
All
I
right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will
and that's where
comply.
we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once the
dad.
airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.
Lead officer B correct, legal framework, multiple warnings given. Deducted for unlawful phone command and exposed back during secondary approach. The son C+ declined every voluntary exit point. Complied physically once arrested. A preventable outcome. The father D emotional motivation understood. Felony level interference entirely self-created. Flight crew B+ authority correctly invoked accommodation attempted first. Extending removal to the full family was lawful but disproportionate. Lesson 1. Federal Aviation Authority is non-negotiable. There is no appeal at the gate. Compliance is the only legal option. Lesson 2. Every refusal compounds exposure. The first refusal was a civil dispute. The third was a criminal arrest. Lesson 3. Witnessing an arrest is not a license to intervene. Relationship to the subject is irrelevant under the law. Lesson 4. In confined space enforcement, contact cover must be explicitly assigned before physical control begins. A turned back is a liability. Lesson 5. Recording rights once acknowledged are binding. An officer cannot selectively apply the law mid-encounter. Lesson 6. Carrier authority under Section 44-902 extends to the entire family. Lawful does not always mean proportionate, and proportionality matters in civil exposure. Thank you for watching.